Lentils versus quinoa, the basics.
Lentils are pulses, while quinoa is a seed often prepared like a grain. Both are popular for their plant-based protein and nutritional value. Lentils come in several varieties and cook quickly, while quinoa is known for its light, fluffy texture. Understanding their differences can help you choose the best option for your diet and health goals.
Nutritional Showdown, protein and beyond.
Lentils provide about 9 grams of protein per half cup cooked, while quinoa offers around 4 grams for the same amount. Quinoa, though, is a complete protein containing all essential amino acids, whereas lentils are slightly lower in methionine. Both are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them excellent dietary staples for plant-based eaters.
Health benefits compared.
So, lentils are packed with fiber, which supports healthy digestion and helps manage blood sugar. They're also a great source of iron, folate, and potassium. Quinoa stands out for its antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and magnesium content. Both foods have been linked to improved heart health, sustained energy, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases.
Cooking and practical uses.
Lentils are ideal for soups, stews, salads, and curries, with quick cooking times compared to many beans. Quinoa shines in salads, grain bowls, stir-fries, or as a rice alternative. Both are versatile and easy to prepare. Rotating them in your meals can add variety while boosting your intake of nutrients and protein.
Which plant protein wins?
Lentils excel in protein and fiber, while quinoa is unique as a complete protein and is gluten-free. The best choice depends on your nutritional needs, taste preferences, and meal plans. Including both can provide a balance of benefits, supporting a healthy, well-rounded plant-based diet.